You can see, friend, here is 3 wire, black, red, and white. And this is input voltage, input wire. This one is the lamp wire. Okay, right now it is clear. The lamp, it will be any light you want to control with the photocell. This one, photocell. This one, light. And this one is input. Some customer is requiring how you connect with the photocell. Okay, I will introduce you. 3 wire, you can see. Black wire, connect with input wire. 2 wires connected. Okay, black wire. And here, 2 wires left. The second one, red wire. Connect with the lamp. Connect with the lamp. Red wire, which we called line. Okay, the second wire photocell is connected. The last wire is white wire. White wire connect with the blue wire. Also, the input wire, the blue wire, 3 wires together. You understand? This is input wire. 3 wire. White wire from the photocell, blue wire from the lamp, and the blue wire from the input wire. 3 wires together. Okay, now all is finished. We turn on the power. Okay, let's see. All is finished. Turn on the power. Right now you can see here the light do not turn on because right now is day, so it will not turn on. And we use the hand to cover. Wait some time. Okay, it'll turn on automatic. And we remove the hands like the day, it will turn off automatic. It's very simple, my friend. If you have any thoughts or feedback, you can let us know, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.